Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be doing another salmon fillet. This is a 2.5 pound Atlantic salmon fillet. I think it's farm raised. It's not fresh caught. So, but we're going to go ahead and deal with it today. You guys know how much my wife loves salmon. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out on the Recteq 700 today, okay? If you hear a little wind noise, I'm sorry. It's a nice day today, but it's a little breezy. So I don't know if the dead cat I have on my mic is going to prevent the wind noise, but we'll have to deal with it. Okay, so hey, let's go ahead and bring you closer. Let's do the prep work and get this bad boy on the pellet grill. All right, guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is gonna use our Tony's butter injection as a binder, and to add a little bit of butter flavor to our salmon. So we're gonna pour a little bit in the glass, not to cross contaminate. We use our silicone brush, and we're gonna put a layer on here. That looks like my salmon is folded under. There we go. Forgive me for not having my gloves today. Okay, so we're gonna brush this on liberally, give it a little butter flavor, a butter base. Okay, and today the pellet grill has the Recteq Ultimate Blend pellets in there, and also mixed in with some cherry. So should give an interesting smoke color and flavor. Okay, all right, so there's our butter. So now we're going to be using this Badia's cilantro lime pepper salt. Okay, the wife likes this. It's kind of a twist from the lemon pepper flavor. So we're going to put a light coating of that on. I don't want to put too much on here. So be careful with this because this has a high salt content. Okay, so that's about all we're going to put on there right there. Okay, normally I'm a little heavy handed with seasonings, but we're going to stay under control today. And this is from Frag Out Flavor. You can check those guys out. This is their Reaper Dust. This is adds some real good heat, especially to fish and chicken and ribs and stuff. So we're gonna put a light coating of that because the wife likes her salmon with a little kick. All right. So we got the Reaper Dust on, we got the cilantro lime on, and we got the butter injection on. So let's get this bad boy on the Recteq. So the Recteq is at 225 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and get the salmon on. Right in the middle, and that's about it. So we're gonna wait for the salmon to hit 155 degrees, and then we'll have a taste test. So hey, hang around and don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check our salmon. Looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and get it tempted up. Oh, way over 174, 170. Well, hold on. Yeah, 173. Yep, let's go ahead and get it off. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it on our cutting board. The rack was sprayed with Cam, so it should slide off pretty easy. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and have a taste test. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get us a bit of this fish here. Nice and flaky, even though it was over the 155 degrees recommended temperature, but the wife likes it a little bit overdone because it's a little bit flakier and not as moist. All right, come on off there. The crust is holding on. There we go. All right, let's get us a couple of baguettes and see how this tastes. All right, guys, so we got our piece of salmon that we cut off of the larger fillet. We're gonna go ahead and taste this. Oh, dropping salmon everywhere. Smells fantastic, man. It's got that citrusy smell from the cilantro lime. I'm interested in seeing how hot it is from the Reaper dust, and if it's maintained its buttery flavor. Okay, I know we kind of missed our mark of 155 degrees. I normally like to take it up to 165 because that's where the wife likes it, but looks like we got up to about 175. But so hopefully the the Tony's butter injection that we use as a binder and to add a little bit more moisture and flavor, help compensate for going over 155. So let's go ahead and have a taste. I'm going to have to use that Tony's as a binder on salmon more often. It's got a nice buttery consistency to it. It's nice and moist. I can taste the cilantro. It's not overly salty. Like I said, you got to be, you got to use that rub sparingly because it's got a lot of salt in it, but definitely has the citrus lime flavor in it. And that Reaper dust puts just a little bit of heat in the back of your throat. So this is really good. I had the wife make some baguettes so that you can take this salmon and put it on a baguette, and we'll see how that plays out. It should be just fine. So another taste test. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The creaminess of the salmon against the crunchiness of the baguette was a great play on two textures. Fantastic bite. You could put a little bit of sauce on here if you wanted to add something else, but this is fine just by itself. So definitely try this, okay? If you love salmon, that citrus lime is a really good flavoring for fish, all right? Well, that's all we have time for today. Hey, if you guys are interested in a Recteq grill, check out recteq.com. Once, like I always say, fantastic grills, built like a tank, and outstanding customer service. Okay, and if you guys are interested in some Bad Beast merchandise, hey, check out badbeastbarbecue.com. Merchandise, recipes, video links. Hey, check it out. Okay, and join our mailing list so you'll be notified when we have new recipes and new videos coming out. Okay, and that's about it. I'll put a link down in the description block for all of the seasonings that we used on this cook, so you can go to Amazon and order them if you want to. Okay, and please subscribe to the video. Hit the like button if you like this. Help us grow on YouTube. Okay, we just recently went over 50,000 subscribers, so I want to thank all of you guys out there for supporting the channel. Hopefully, we can give a 50,000 subscriber giveaway going in upcoming weeks. But thank you very much for supporting Bad Beast Barbecue. We love you guys. Okay, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. mm. Great tasting salmon. See you guys in the next video.